Hey, here is a quick guide on how to set your personal voice typing AI in under 3 minutes. Okay, first, you want to head to your favorite browser. And once you're in the browser, you will need to search handy.computer. And that's going to be the tool that we're going to use today to set your voice typing. I like Handy because it's free and it feels like it's your personal voice typing tool. So once you are on the website, you will want to click on the download, whether it's a Mac, whether it's a Windows, whether it's Linux or any branches of Linux, you're able to find the download files here. So since mine is Windows, I'm just going to download the installer. And the installer will take like a couple of seconds to download because it's not large file, it's like 20 MB. And once you downloaded it, you just click on the installation wizard and it is pretty easy to set up, as you can see, right? um just keep everything as is, so it should be a normal installation. And let this be in the C itself because it does not take a lot of space. And if you have any crunch for space, you can just change your location to any drive that you wish, and then you just click next, and it's going to take like 30 seconds to install. And once it's done, you just click on next. And if you want a desktop shortcut, you can opt it in here. If you don't want it, then just leave it blank. Once this is done, just click on finish, and you are probably 80% there. Next. As soon as you hit finish, this is what you're able to see, right? As you can see, there is no login, there is no sign up, there is no OTP, 2FA, nothing, right? It's a simple and a very easy thing to set up. And out of all the models that we got here, and you can look at the models because it's exhaustive list of models that they got. The one that I like is Parakeet Unified EN 0.6 billion parameters, because this is not only fast, but it's also very accurate. And I have tested multiple models, but this is something that I like. If you want more speed, and sometimes it might make a mistake, you can go with Canary 180 million flash, and this is good to go on any kind of hardware. So even if it's a lower spec device, you can run this. So once you choose your model, you just click on it, and it will take probably like a minute or two to download, because again, it's not 20 or 30 gigabytes or any large size. It's probably under 600 MB, 700 MB, right? So most of the models are below even 800 MB. So it's tiny. It's probably the size of an HD video. So yeah, as you can see, now it's downloaded, and now you're able to see this general dashboard of Handy. Here you can do few things that's very neat and very easy to do. First, you would want a key in your keyboard that you can click to activate this, right? So activate the Handy so that it can do the transcription. If I just click Control plus space, the transcription will be activated. But it's two keys, and I want to simplify it further, right? So I'll just click on the current shortcut, and now it says press keys. So here is where you can enter any key. The one button that I don't use much is the button insert. So I'm going to map this to insert. Now that's it. Your work is done, right? There are a few more settings that you would like to kind of toggle, right? If you would like to keep holding a button while you're speaking, just switch this on, which is push to talk. And if you are somebody who writes for long, so has longer periods of transcription, just toggle it off. So what happens is, now as soon as I turned it off, now it shows me one more thing, that's cancel the shortcut, right? So it says if you click insert, it begins transcribing. What button should you press to stop it? Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to map the same insert button, and that's it. My work is done. So now whenever I click insert, the transcription starts, and whenever I click the insert button again, the transcription stops. Simple as that. Next, there are a few more things that you can play around with. That's choosing your microphone, right? If you have multiple microphones, and this is something I found very neat because sometimes I'm just playing music and I don't want the music to be transcribed. So I just click on mute while recording. So what that does is, as soon as the voice typing begins, it kind of mutes all other audio. So what happens is it's very easy for you to concentrate and actually talk and finish the typing. Now, this is something that I don't feel useful, but if you know if it's for you, if you want to hear what you're talking, you can just switch this on. I have just loaded up a small notepad for the demonstration. Now, all I have to click is insert and say, hey, how are you doing today? This is the video for YouTube. And I just clicked insert. So the transcription stopped. And as you can see, the voice typing is real time. So there is almost no delay and it types very quickly. And one more thing that you can see is the formatting is already done. So you don't have to do it again. So that's the guide on how to set up and use Handy on your personal computers. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments and I will respond. Thank you and take care.